The average US household spends about $2,500 a year on fuel. And here's the part nobody talks about. Up to 30% of that money never needed to be spent at all. In the next few minutes, I'm going to expose 13 fuel-saving secrets that the gas industry will never advertise, and that most drivers unintentionally ignore. Each tip not only cuts your yearly fuel cost, many of them also prevent hidden engine damage, dangerous drivability issues, and four-figure repair bills. And the final secret? It's the one that quietly saves drivers over $1,500 without costing a single dollar. Secret number 13. Stop paying for premium fuel your car can't use. Every day, millions of drivers grab the premium nozzle thinking it's better gas. It isn't. Premium is just higher octane, nothing more. It doesn't clean your engine, doesn't boost performance, and doesn't increase longevity in a car designed for regular fuel. In fact, it can shorten engine life by causing inefficient combustion. AAA found that over 16 million Americans waste more than $2 billion a year doing this. High-octane gas only benefits high-performance or forced induction engines that require it. If your manual doesn't explicitly demand premium, it's not helping you. And for cars that recommend it, Consumer Reports found no measurable benefit. Those extra dollars per gallon are going nowhere useful, unlike what I'll reveal in secret number 5. Secret number 12. A dirty air filter costs you far more than people realize. Modern ECUs can adjust for reduced airflow, which led some to believe clogged filters no longer matter. That's only half the story. A restricted filter makes cold starts harder, increases the chance of spark plug fouling, slows acceleration, and accelerates carbon buildup inside the engine, all of which hurt fuel economy and long-term engine health. You may not notice it day to day, but over thousands of miles, it can quietly shave years off your powertrain. Change it on schedule, especially if you drive in dusty or urban environments. Secret number 11. Tire pressure is silently draining your fuel tank. Most drivers only inflate their tires when the TPMS light comes on, but by then, your tires have already dropped roughly 8 psi, sacrificing up to 1.6% fuel economy. That may sound small until you realize it compounds every single mile. DOE and EPA research confirm that even 1 psi drop across all 4 tires reduces efficiency measurably, and only 19% of drivers have properly inflated tires. Gas stations profit off our neglect. Check your pressure monthly, not when the warning light screams for help, and use the door jamb sticker, not the sidewall, as your reference. And don't overinflate to chase extra MPG. The savings aren't worth the blowout risk. And don't overinflate to chase extra MPG. The savings aren't worth the blowout risk. Secret number 10. Roof racks are fuel efficiency killers. Even when empty, they crush aerodynamics and add weight. A major laboratory study found that empty roof racks waste over 100 million gallons of fuel annually nationwide. At highway speeds, they can cost you 12% of your fuel economy, while roof cargo boxes can cost up to 25%. Keep items inside your trunk instead, not on top of your car, and remove racks entirely when not in use. Secret number 8. Long idling is outdated, expensive, and harmful. Unless you drive a carbureted classic from the 80s or earlier, you do not need long warm-ups. Modern engines reach operating temperature faster under light driving, not idling. Idling burns 0.25 to 0.5 gallons of fuel per hour, promotes carbon buildup, and increases corrosion in the exhaust system. Even in winter, manufacturers recommend only 30 seconds of idling before driving gently. And if you're stopped for more than 10 seconds, the EPA says shutting the engine off is more efficient and healthier for your engine. Secret number 7. Lower viscosity oil can noticeably increase mileage when used correctly. Thin synthetic oils reduce friction and flow faster on cold starts. If your car uses 5W30, switching to a high-quality 0W20 often yields a 2 to 3% improvement in fuel economy. The key phrase is high-quality synthetic. Thin conventional oil can't protect your engine the same way. Seasonal adjustments help, thinner in winter, slightly thicker in summer. And if you want the biggest oil change savings, the video linked after this will open your eyes. Secret number 6. Drafting works, but it's dangerously illegal. Getting extremely close behind a semi reduces aerodynamic drag dramatically. Mythbusters and SAE tests show that following at just 10 feet can improve MPG by 35%, but it also gives you less than half a second to react. It's lethal. Even at 100 feet, your reaction time is still dangerously low. The safe following distance at 65 miles per hour is roughly 250 feet, where the MPG gain drops to a modest 1 to 3%. Useful? Yes. Worth risking your life? Absolutely not. Secret number 5. The AC versus Windows down debate has a clear answer, but it depends on speed. AC uses energy, yes, up to 30% more during low speeds during extreme heat. But once you hit highway speeds, open windows create massive aerodynamic drag that outweighs the AC's cost. DOE research shows the break-even point is roughly 60 miles per hour. Below that, windows down. Above that, AC on, recirculation mode enabled, and airflow optimized. Secret number 4. Extra weight in your car is burning money every mile. And many people carry around equipment, tools, sports gear, or seasonal junk they don't actually need. Some even go extreme, removing seats or emissions hardware, which is both illegal and financially foolish. Instead, keep your vehicle lean. The lighter the load, the longer your tank lasts. Secret number 3. Smooth drivers save more money than fast drivers. Aggressive driving doesn't get you anywhere faster. AAA found speeding only saves the average driver 26 seconds per day, but it costs real fuel. MIT research shows aggressive acceleration and braking destroy fuel economy by 15 to 40%, depending on traffic conditions. Look ahead, anticipate lights and slowdowns, and coast early. It feels slower, but your bank account will notice the difference long before your arrival time does. Secret number 2. A loose gas cap is one of the simplest and most expensive fuel leaks. 1 in 20 cars needs a new cap, yet drivers ignore it because it's just a cap. The DOT estimates you can lose 30 gallons per year from evaporating fuel alone. That's more than you lose from low tire pressure or the wrong oil. A loose or damaged cap also triggers evap leak codes like P0457 or P0456. If ignored, it can lead to stalling, rough idling, and an expensive emission system repair. Check the seal, the threads, and the rubber ring. Replace it if anything looks worn. It's one of the cheapest components on your car. Secret number 1. Avoid both fueling extremes, running too low or topping off. These two habits quietly destroy fuel systems. Running on near empty overheats the fuel pump, which relies on fuel for lubrication. Burn out the pump and you're facing a $1,500 repair. On the flip side, topping off after the pump clicks can dump liquid fuel into the evap system, flooding components designed only for vapor. This can trigger leak codes, damage charcoal canisters, and lead to repairs as high as $2,500. Fill up at a sensible level, neither bone dry nor overflowing. These 13 fuel-saving secrets are simple, practical, and proven, and they save far more than just fuel. They protect your engine, your money, and in some cases, your safety. And if you want to cut your long-term maintenance costs in half, there's one more overlooked habit that every driver needs to know. Watch this next video, do this before every oil change, and your engine will never die.